So you guys are ready to celebrate yourselves? Yes. I can't hear them. Yes. All right, good. So some of your parents are here, so we want to welcome the parents. And who can tell the parents one of the things that you learned and that you're really excited about? Who wants to go? Don't be shy now. Who wants to talk? Anybody? Oh, wow. Crickets. All right, go ahead.
That I learned how to be confident.
Okay, somebody learned how to be confident. What else? Somebody else? You guys had a lot to say earlier. What else was on? Yes.
I learned how to be strong.
You learned how to be strong. Good. Anybody else? Don't be shy. Yes.
I learned how to be me.
You learned how to be me. Yes, I love that. Who else? Who else want to say something? Anybody? Now's the time to talk, guys. You had 5 days of learning. Come on. What'd you learn? Learn to be yourself and be kind, yes. Learn to be kind. All right, I hear a lot of kind, so that's good. What else? What type of skills did we learn while we were here? Let's talk about skills. Yes.
I learned how to start a business.
Learn how to start a business. Good. Anybody else?
I learned how to
Leadership, that's a big one, yes, because we need that wherever we go in life. Whether it's for personal or professional, we need to learn about leadership, yes. Anybody else? What did you learn, Ardelie?
I learned
How to start a business, yes, entrepreneurship. So we have some business owners here. Future business owners. That's good. Anybody else? All right, well, the past 5 days have been very impactful. We spent a lot of time talking about entrepreneurship, leadership skills. We talked about building their confidence. We also spoke about self-love, self-esteem, knowing your worth, right? Making sure that you guys know your worth. And then we went on a business trip. So you guys were able to see entrepreneurship in action, right? You guys were able to hear from a business owner, as well as hear his story, how he started and the journey that he went through, and what led him to start his own business. You guys also was able to create your own business. So you guys were broken up into groups, and you did your business venture, which is behind us here on this wall. So we'll talk about the businesses that the girls started. They had some really great business ideas, and they're all business owners right now. They were able to have this vision and to think about ideas of a business that they wanted to start. That means that they're already creative, and they're innovative, and their minds are thinking. So as parents, I encourage you guys to continue to tap into their talents. You guys understand what that means, right? Start asking them more questions. Ask them about what they want to be, what they want to do in life, because they were able to come up with some really good business ideas. So you guys can look at the board. We have bracelets, we have a wig shop, we have products like boba tea, we have hair oil, hair oil, like a grow hair oil, which is really good. And they were able to discuss who their target audience is. So for their customers, they discuss their location, where they're going to be located, the prices of their business. So their minds are already starting to think at this age. At this early age, these girls, their minds are already thinking about being a business owner. So I want you guys as parents to keep encouraging them, keep motivating them, and keep being an inspiration for them. A lot of them said that they're, inspired by their family, they're inspired by their parents, and they want to encourage you guys to keep encouraging and motivating them. So let's give them a round of applause for. So on this annual trip, some of you guys have already been here for the past couple of years, and I'm happy that you guys were able to come back, because it means that you're learning, you're growing, and there's an impact that's happening, right? So for all of you guys that were here last year, raise your hands. And then for those that are here for the first time, raise your hands. So the word got around, that's good. That's real good. So I welcome you guys. You guys had a fantastic week. I also welcome back the girls from last year and the year before. So I'm really glad that you guys decided to come back to be more inspired, to learn more, and to grow more. So before I go any further, I want to introduce Bree, Miss Bree, yes. Stand up, yeah. So Miss Bree came all the way from the United States. She traveled here to support the camp. She has a phenomenal organization that I'm going to have her talk about. She wanted to pour into our girls here in Denriga, and she wanted to come and support. She did her topic on entrepreneurship. She helped me speak about the entrepreneurship, what that looks like, because she's an entrepreneur herself, and also about self-love and self-esteem. So I'll have her talk a little bit about her journey here to Belize and the impact that she has made on the girls and the impact that she would like to leave when she's here, while she's here, and how her experience has been. So let's finish. You're welcome.
So, again, my name is Miss Bree. This week, my God, has been extraordinary for me. Like she said, I came from the States. I'm from Memphis, Tennessee, but I moved to Houston, Texas. And I met this lovely lady through social media, and she invited me here. And here I got to talk about entrepreneurship. I got to tell about my businesses. So I'm here representing my business called the Kids Week Tour. And during this tour, I make weeks for children with hair loss conditions. So any child that has maybe cancer, alopecia, I travel state to state, giving them away for free, and also installing them as well. I've been a hairstylist for over 10 years, and I feel like I'm just now getting into my purpose, doing it for the kids. So that's how Teresa found the alignment with what she do and what I do, and I got to do it in a different way. And I just want to say this is my very first time doing this, or even bringing the Kids Week Tour out of the States. So this is really big for me. Y'all give Miss Teresa a hand.
But I do want to recognize our winners from our project from the business venture that you guys saw. First of all, I just want to say you guys all did an incredible job. The fact that you were able to think about a business that you want to start, that alone is something big. All right, thank you. Let's see if one of these beads will accept it. So just for the fact that you guys already got together, you guys collaborated, and you guys worked cohesively, and you guys decided on a business to work together, that alone is big. At this age that you guys are, to already think of, oh my God, I want to be my own boss and I want to start my own business, that's huge. A lot of kids your age are not thinking about starting their own business right now. They're still thinking about, playing and watching TV and being on social media. But for us to be able to do this camp every year back to back and teach you guys about the importance of starting your own business at an early age so that you could create opportunities for yourself. A lot of times, and you guys will see later on, hopefully not, but sometimes we guys heard the story from Mr. Saki yesterday, where sometimes we hear a lot of no's. So like, let's say you graduate, you start to look for a job, you might hear, oh no, we're not hired right now, or nothing available right now. And so these lessons that you guys learn here, it's gonna be a lesson to say, you know what, no problem. You don't have nothing for me? Sure, but I go create my own. Open up my own doors, open up my own opportunities. And so that's why you guys are learning that now. So that when later on, if somebody said, no, we don't have nothing for offer, no jobs, when they could say, well, you know what? It's okay, I done learn about entrepreneurship. I done learn about leadership. I good. I could go start my business. All right, so that's what it's all about, guys. It's about getting you guys ready for the future, making sure that you guys reach your fullest and highest potential. Sounds good? All right. So all of you guys did a phenomenal job. You guys are all winners in our eyes. You know, you guys took a lot of time out to create these business, and I commend you guys so much. So our winners for the project is going to be the Hot Steppers. That's group 4. So group 4 went above and beyond, right? They wanted us to know about, number one, the product that they're offering, right? The products and services. And I think they did both. They did both products and services, if I'm not mistaken. But they also went a little bit deeper to talk about who and where they're going to get their money from, where they're going to get their funding. They talk about the location. They talk about the customer. They talk about how they're going to advertise, you know, on social media, e-commerce. They went into full details about starting a business. They also have like images of the products that they're going to be selling. And so we want to say great job to group number 4. Group number 4, I want you guys to come up here and stand up. Over here, come on, group 4. Our winners, come on. Don't be shy. Come on, come on. All right, guys, so these are your future bosses, your future business owners. They already have a vision. They know where they're gonna get their funding from. They know the location. They know, you know, who their target audience is, who are their customers. They went above and beyond creating this vision that they had and putting it together and working together as a team. So we just want to commend you guys and wish you guys best of luck with your future endeavors, whatever you guys decide to do. Maybe later on in life when you guys see each other, you guys might even say, you know what, make us start this business where we're do in a summer camp. Nothing wrong with that. You guys might be like, you know what, we done feel like we could start this business. We talked about it a couple of years ago. We know what we need for do. And then that's the idea right there. So thank you guys for being creative. Thank you for being innovative. And thank you guys for taking those lessons that you learned from the class and putting it into your project. You guys did a really good job. So thank you. Who was the leader? Okay. That's fine if she didn't show up. But I have something for you guys. So I'll give that to you guys later. So thank you guys. All right. So again, just congratulations to all of you guys because your minds are already starting to think, right? You're already thinking about entrepreneurship. You're already using those leadership skills. And even when we were having classes, you guys were showing those leadership skills. So we know that you guys are all leaders in your own way. And that's what it's all about. So today we want to give you guys your certificate. It shows that you've completed the 5 days of the program. It shows how important it was for you guys to take the 5 days and to really do something with it later on, and also the impact that it's going to make in your lives. Because I know it's going to make a big difference starting today, right? When you guys leave out of here, it's all about now what you guys are going to do with your learnings, right? And so do we feel comfortable and confident right now before we leave the camp? I can't hear you. Yes. I can't hear. Yes. All right. So I'm going to have Shanika come up and help me pass these out. And then as we call you up for your certificate, right? And it's not in no order. So don't think that it's going to be in alphabetical order. It's just random. So as you come up, you get your, she'll pass it to me. I'll give you guys your certificate. We'll take a picture and then you guys can go back to your seat. We'll have a little celebration after, and then we'll just close out the camp. Sounds good? Yes. Sounds good? Yes. All right, good. All right. Okay, so we're gonna call up Tian Lucas. All right, here. Okay, thank you. Next we have Shakti. Shakti. Thank you, Shakti. All right. we have Desiree Winter Alvarez. Thank you. All right. Giovanni Martinez. Thank you, Giovanni. Charlene Augustin. Jaslyn Gitty. Okay. Darcy Olivas. Thank you, Darcy. Okay. Keisha Moore. Hey, honey. Jalen Augustin. Raven. Where's Raven? Mia. Where's Mia? Hey, honey. Okay. Clarice. Here. Okay. Jalen Blessed Martinez. Warisi. Here, honey. Trinity. Here. Tamaya. All right, so we have Cassiana. You're welcome. Okay. Oh, I'm not too sure. I think so. Ardet Lee. I'm not call this gal 1 foot. Look this way. Jazely Enriquez. All right. Kelsey Palacio. Jelani Saldana. Kayla Mejia. Sierra Ramirez. CC. Yeah, CC. Brene. Brene Martin. Brene. Here, honey. Thank you. Aiden Baltazar. Nala. Nala's not here today. Okay, that's fine. Janalee Palacio. Here, baby. Good job. Okay. And last but not least, Leah Swift. All right. All right, guys, thank you. So we have some prizes, and it's really based on participation, people that were listening and paying attention and raising their hands, right? So let me get the paper with you guys. Let's see. All right, so we have Desiree. Thank you so much for always raising your hand, and here you go. Thank you. We have Mia, who has the highest GPA right now at school. We have Charlene, who's always participating and raising her hand. And we have Leah, who also always raised her hand. All right. And then we had something for the winners of the project. So let me get that for you guys. Thank you. All right, so our business owners, we have Raven. Thank you. We have Jalen Bless Martinez. Thank you. We have Kesali. And we also have Aiden. All right. And so because we don't have the group leader here today, we want to make sure that we also give somebody who was also participating strongly as a leader as well in the group. So we want to honor Darcy. Thank you, Darcy. All right, guys, give yourselves a round of applause. All right. So anyone have any final thoughts? Anybody want to share with the group? We did this earlier today. If you guys have your books with you, you can look at it. But anybody want to share one thing that you learned and that you'll take away from the camp? And I need participation because there could still be more gifts. So who want to share one thing, one powerful thing that you learned that you're going to now take with you either to when you go home or to school? We spoke about this earlier. Who wants to go? Yes.
Confident.
You learn how to be confident. Perfect. Anyone else? Yes. To be unique. Yes, we spoke about unique, right? Because we don't care what anybody else think about us. We're unique. Yes. To be a leader. Yes, we talk about leadership skills and we talk about the traits and the characteristics of a leader. So you guys are all leaders right now. Anybody else? Mia. To be yourself. We spoke about that. That's in our book that you guys are going to be taking home. Be you, be yourself. We talked about that a lot. Anything else? Yes. To never give up, to never listen to naysayers. Don't let anybody tell you that you can't do something. Always to believe in yourself, right? Yes. To be independent. Yes, I love it. Anyone else? Yes. Yes, we talked about that, right? To never say negative things about ourselves. When we think about negative things, what were we supposed to do with it again? Anybody remember? Change it into a positive, change it into a truth, right? So the negative thoughts, we get those out the door and we turn it into a truth. Good. Anything else you guys remember? Yes, what you're going to take with you? To be brave? Right, to be brave. Anyone else? Yes. Huh? I can't hear you. Be truthful. Yes, that's definitely a characteristic of an entrepreneur and a leader, right? To be truthful. Yes. To be kind. We have to be kind in this world. This world needs more kindness. And it starts with each and every one of you guys, right? Yes. To be loving to people. Yes, to our family, to our friends, to our neighbors. We have to be loving. Love goes a long way. Anyone else? Yes, Shati. To be honest, yes, that goes a very long way. That opens doors for you, right? That takes you far when you're honest. Yes. To have good manners, yes, to be respectful. We spoke about that a lot as well. I think when we talked about self-esteem, self-love, we spoke about that, yes. To have patience, yes, have patience with your moms, have patience with your family. They work hard and they try to take good care of you guys, so have patience, yes. Anyone else? Yes. To be yourself, yes. Don't let anybody try to tell you to be this or to be that. Be yourself. Be who God has made you to be. All right? God gave you guys all a uniqueness about you. That's what He wants you guys to embrace. You know, while you're embracing that, don't forget to tap into that gift and that talent that He gave you so that you can share it with the world, right? He didn't give it to you to keep it to yourself. So whatever is inside of you, whatever that dream is that you have, make sure you share it with your mom, with your teachers, with somebody who you trust, somebody who you want to talk about your goals and your vision. Put it out there. When you speak it, it comes back. So don't be afraid to share your goals and your dreams. Anyone else? No? Yes. To be smart. Yeah, we have to be smart. That's why when you guys go back to school in September, you know, focus on those classes, focus on your academics. When you're in your book and you get your education, it takes you far. We need to be educated in life so that we can move and progress and have that personal and that professional growth. So yes, to be educated, to be smart. Anyone else? All right, give yourselves a round of applause. At what time? All right, guys. So who's ready for cake and to party and to close out the camp? All right, sounds good. Let me ask any of my ladies if you guys have anything you want to share or say or any final words. Anyone? No? Yes, ma'am. Oh, wow. Thank you for that feedback. Yes, is she coming back next year? Okay, good. Who's coming back next year? I need to hear it loud. I need to hear me loud. Who's coming back next year? All right. All right. Any other feedback? It could be from the parents or from the students. Yes. Yes.
Thank you. I must say thank you for inspiring, thank you for encouraging our little girls and for saving our little girls. And we couldn't do this without you. We couldn't do this without your team. Thank you for the energy that you bring and
where else should I be in Africa? Here with us in Nigeria.
Yes.
For that we are grateful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. I really appreciate that. Yes, so just so you guys know, I grew up here in Dangriga, right? And so I went to Holy Ghost, like many of you guys who are in Holy Ghost right now. I graduated from Holy Ghost. And then this was my high school. So to come back, and it's a full circle for me, to come back to my community and to empower my young girls in the community, the girls that are coming up behind me. It's a full circle, and I'm happy to be here. I'm happy to do what I do. I'm glad that God has put this vision and this purpose in me to travel around the world. You mentioned Africa, so I go to Africa as well. But to travel around the world and to impact girls just like you guys, to know their worth, to feel confident in themselves, to build those leadership skills, to build entrepreneurship skills, and to just reach their highest potential, and to know that they can break barriers, right? Whenever somebody say you can't do this, I want you guys to know that yes, you can. So I want you guys to say, yes, we can.
Yes, we can.
All right, you guys can be and do anything you want to do in this world. Trust me. All right, God can open any doors for you guys that you guys want open. Whatever avenue you guys want to go into, don't even worry somebody else is doing it. You guys bring your own what? What's the word that we talked about? You guys are your own what? You guys are what? Okay, you guys are unique, right? You bring your own uniqueness to anything that you guys do. So there's an opportunity for everybody. This world is huge. It's a big place for us to do all the things we want to do. So just remember that, all right? Anybody, any final words? We feel good?
Yes.
You guys had a great time?
Yes.
All right, give you guys selves a round of applause. All right, so if there's no more feedback or you guys don't have anything else to say, we'll have some cake. We'll celebrate a little bit. You guys can talk with your moms. I think now is a good time to have dessert with daughters, right? That's a good moment to talk about anything that you guys want to talk about with each other. I think it's really good to have a strong baseline at home. I just want you guys to know that. So everything that these girls are doing now, I'm just pouring into them externally. This is just me pouring into them. But everything starts at home. So they need to have a really solid baseline, and that's with you parents. So, continuing this journey with them. I'm leaving them in your hands. Communicate with them. Follow up on their dreams and their goals. They're smart, they're brilliant, they're confident now. They have a lot of goals ahead of them and dreams that they want to follow. So you parents, I really need you guys to have that solid baseline at home with them. Build that communication, build that relationship so they can feel that someone's there supporting their dreams. All right? So thank you guys. Thank you, parents. All right, let's party. Who wants cake? All right. So you guys can line up for some cake. Thank you. Wait, guys. Denise, I want to take a picture of the cake first. Wait, guys. Wait. And then Mia, last year I think, no, it wasn't you. Somebody had hold the cake last year. So I need somebody to hold it. So you hold it this year. And I just want to make sure you hold it and then take a picture with it. So maybe you could stand up over Yasso and then. Your mom. Okay. All right.
I not eat for 5 years.
Oh boy.
That kept frightened me so small.
Well, you could always come back for more. Here, baby, take. You guys grab a fork here. Uh-oh. Huh? Oh, thank you so much. I really appreciate you.
Again, thanks, ladies and gentlemen. We gotta go. Thanks for everything. Thanks to all the sponsors. UNICEF Belize Bank, Jude Belize Foundation, Pelican Beach Resort, Belize National Teachers Union, Belize and Dreams, Hot Steppers, Marie Sharp, Ignite Girls of Africa, Impact, Dan Grieger, Lisa Cheng, big up yourself, National Sports Council, and Dangra Town Council. Thank you very much. Ayo, we gotta go. Ayo.